Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Walmart Plus at Burger King. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Walmart Plus members can enjoy exclusive discounts at Burger King by linking their Walmart Plus membership to a Burger King Royal Perks account. So the way to do it is you need to link your account. So in your Walmart Plus account, navigate to the Burger King savings section. Follow the prompts to link your Walmart Plus membership to your Burger King Royal Perks account. If you don't have a Royal Perks account, you can create one for free. And then access the offers. So open the Burger King app or go to bk.com, go to the offers tab to view available discounts. Then simply apply the offer. So select the desired offer, add it to your cart and place your order. Ensure the offer is activated before completing your purchase. So now the current Walmart Plus benefits at Burger King. So you get 25% off digital orders. So receive a 25% discount on all digital orders through the BK app or bk.com, available once per day. And also a free Whopper every 3 months. So starting in September, enjoy a free flame grilled Whopper with any purchase every 3 months. This offer is valid once per quarter and must be activated in the offers tab.